once again after a long time, and today we are going to discuss about osmosis. Osmosis is a very important physiological process in the plants. It helps in absorption of the water from soil, and the root hairs, which are having some pressure not only by the transpiration, which creates a suction pull, but also by the osmosis that happens when there is increased water level in the soil and there is less water concentration in the cells of root hairs. This movement of water from a higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called as osmosis. In this very activity, we will see how potato tuber can be taken as an example of osmosis. First of all, we will peel out a hole in the potato tuber and fill it with the concentrated sugar solution. Then we will put it inside water and see how after a short period of about 5 to 10 hours, we will see how the water is moving inside this potato tuber. So let's begin. We have taken some water. It's very little amount of water and we are going to add some sugar in this. Now it will become a concentrated solution. We are adding more and more sugar to make it as concentrated as much possible. Now this potato tuber, we are going to make the base. Now this is almost the base is good, and from this side a hole will be prepared as like this. Care has to be taken while you are cutting, otherwise some injury may take place. This is a very simple experiment, and what you have to do is to, after making the hole, you have to make sure that the tuber is almost equal and none of the part is thick from one side. Okay, so we have peeled it out, and this is like that. Already we have prepared this very concentrated sugar solution, and now we will pour it into this. Okay, now what will we do? What we do is to keep this inside a water solution. We have poured the concentrated sugar solution in this potato tuber hole, and now we are marking with a Alpin what is the level of this concentrated solution. This is the demarcation, and this much is the concentrated solution. Concentrated solution will be able to do absorption, and now we are putting it into the water, and it will be, this setup will be left for about 10 to 12 hours. Then we will see what will be the rise in the level of water. As we know that water inside this concentrated solution, sugar solution, is less, but outside it is more. So obviously water will be absorbed, and this process will be called as osmosis. The potato cells are semi-permeable. They allow only the smaller particles to move inside them, while the mineral parts, all the rest parts will be left out, and this is osmosis. This is osmosis. Well, we are having uh, we will wait for 10 to 12 hours, then we will see. Wow, what a great thing has happened. The water from the bowl has moved inside the potato tuber, and inside the potato tuber the level of water has raised. We can see that earlier when we have poured the concentrated sugar solution and the level was this much, and now it has raised about half an inch like that. No? So this rise is due to osmosis, and this is a successful experiment. It's very unique osmosis that we can see through this with the help of this potato tuber. It's just a simple thing, but it gives a great idea how osmosis takes place. So water, a solvent, is more in this bowl while it is less, and in less water is less in this potato tuber, and after some sort of time this water is moving from bowl to the concentrated solution, and this is clearly showing osmosis. So I hope you have enjoyed this very activity. Thank you everyone.